Carlos, did you do that? Did you do this? Was it you? Or was it Roscoe? Where's Roscoe? Roscoe. Did you do that? You look very guilty. Did you do that, Roscoe? Are you supposed to do that? I don't think so. Come here, Roscoe. Did you tear up the couch? Did you eat the cushion? Were you a bad boy? Did you do that? Or did Carlos? I think it was you. Let's go ask Carlos again. Come on, Roscoe. Come on, Roscoe. Carlos, was it you? Or was it Roscoe? Tell me. Was it you or was it Roscoe? Roscoe, you look guilty. You're a bad boy. Daddy's gonna be very mad. Very, very mad. Look at that. Just look at it.